Hi, I'm Malvin Hobbs and I'm here to talk about my experience at the show of Josh Birch-Jones at London Fashion Week 2023. So on arriving at Dartmouth House, it was just great to see this big queue outside the door, lots of people, high energy, waiting to gain entry into the building itself. And once we got in, Dartmouth House is just an amazing backdrop for any show and any photo shoot. It's got an amazing staircase, wooden staircase, which is like what I would call a wishbone staircase. And it's got many numerous areas outside that you can actually use for photos to actually make any design stand out. And when walking into the main hall, which is where the show happened, it was just so busy with people to see them talking, networking, models, photographers. It was just great to see. The show itself was just amazing. It had a piece of music which is done by a French artist, and it just added that sort of feel to the show of elegance. Josh's brand is an elegant design itself. So I think with the two pieces together, just worked amazing. Now at the show, the photographers had their own area right at the end of the runway. This actually helps if you're doing a head-on shot as that model's coming down the runway. But I like to sort of position myself to the side so you can actually get a shot of the model who's walking down and then have the next model behind. It just adds that sort of character to any photo. So I always try to angle myself just to the side, not fully to the side, just a touch. As for the dresses, they just added that whole elegant feel to the show. From feathers to glitter to the shimmer, it had it all. And the models, they actually added that elegance to the dresses too. From the way they actually walked the catwalk to the way they posed halfway down and at the end, they actually showed them off as they needed to be with that elegant style. The main moment for me was the model who wore the white dress. When she walked down that catwalk, it reminded me of the supermodels back when I used to attend catwalk shows before. The way she showed off the dress, the posing that she used halfway down and at the end just helped show that elegant style. One of the nicest things to see with Josh is that he's trying to bring back that supermodel era, which is something you don't see from a lot of brands and designers nowadays. Overall, the show was great and the images looked amazing, and I can't wait for 2024.